Look at this video very well. I'm going to show you how to edit something like this using Capcut editing application. Please follow me to the screen to show you how to achieve it, okay? Don't forget to share to your friends and family. Alright, you need 3 clips of video to achieve this. One is the empty background of your scene. Then the second one is where you are entering into the tire. You can use any object to achieve this, be it bench, pool, or anything at all. Then the third clip is where you are standing by the end of the video, by the right hand side, gazing at yourself where you are entering into the tire. So you need to act it dramatically. Once you are done, you head over to Capcut. To start your editing with, you have to bring in the empty background of your scene and the second clip, which is where you are sliding into the tire. Okay, so what you need to do is to head over to this very empty background and have it highlighted like this. Okay, then you slide to this end, you go to freeze, click on freeze. Okay, so and remove the video side of the empty background. Okay, then have it deleted. Then you bring in the video or the clip where you are sliding into the tire. Head over to overlay by sliding to this way. Here is it. Then click on overlay, then click and hold and drag the video to the beginning of the freezed part of the empty background. Then having the empty background highlighted, click and hold and extend it to cover the length of the second clip. Okay, like this is okay. Now you come back to the second clip, which is this one, and have it highlighted. Slide it to this end until you get to mask. Here is it. Click on the mask and choose horizontal. Click on that horizontal. Now use your 2 fingers or thumbs to rotate this very yellow line. Okay, just watch what I'm about to do now. Rotate it this way, okay, to 90 degrees, and take it close to that very tire. Okay, like this will be okay. Then you click on this check mark. Okay, then let's play the video to know what it gives us. All right, this is it. Then what you need to do now is to click on this very export to export the first editing. Okay, so come over to this very new project, click on it, and then bring in that very video that we've just exported. Click on this very add button to bring it up to the editing interface. Okay, now what remains now is the third clip rather. Okay, come over to this very plus button here and click on it. It will take you to your gallery. Then choose that very second clip, which is this. Okay, we want to add it. Click on add button to bring it up to the editing interface. Have it highlighted. You can see what I'm doing here. This is the video. Have it highlighted like that. Slide to this end to get to overlay. Click on that overlay to bring it down. Click and hold and drag it to the beginning of the video. Okay, looking at it now, it has covered the entire screen. You cannot see the other video, which is this one. So what you need to do at this point, having it highlighted like this, is to slide to this end until you get to mask. Okay, which is this. Then click on it and then choose horizontal again. So this is what you need to do, is to use your hand. You can see what I'm doing. Those 2 white dots are my 2 thumbs. So rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, and then adjust the line close to the second person. Okay, so you really need to work on it so that you will not have any part of the second person. But then after that, you click on this very check mark key. Okay, so let's play the video a bit. So once it get to the end of this very video here, you will notice that there is darkness on this part of the video. Okay, what you need to do is to come over to this very first video and have it highlighted. You can see where I'm touching. Then have it highlighted. Come over to the overlay and then click on it. Okay, so then what you need to do is to head over to split here from that ending part of the video. Okay, and then split the video. Okay, now what you need to do so that that very dark part of the video here will be removed is to have this very part of the splitted overlaid clip, okay, highlighted. Now you head over to max to undo the action. Click on max here. Now click on none, okay, to undo the action. Then click on this very check mark key. Then let's play the video from this end. Now you will see that that very dark part of the screen will be no longer there. Have you seen it now? So
what you really need to do for me now is to share this video so that it will get to others out there. There are many out there that would want to learn from this very editing. So please, see you in my next tutorial.